When you decide to create your online course, what's the best topic for you to focus on? Especially when you have so many topics in your head because you are a multi-talented person or you have several expertise that you have garnered through the years, or you're just, so good at so many things. You have so many skills that maybe have been self-taught, right? And now you're thinking, okay, I am ready to do this. I want to create my online course. And then you're like, okay, but what should it be about? Okay, which one should I focus on? If this is you, this is your video, okay? In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 things that you can teach on, especially if you're confused on which one of your many passions or anything to work on. Okay, this one will really break things down for you and you will know what to do after now. Are you ready? Come on with me, let's do this. Hey you, welcome back to my channel, your home as a thought leader who wants to build a profitable personal brand, either as a coach, a speaker, a thought leader, a consultant, an author, and things like that, okay? Here we teach you how to build a profitable personal brand, how to monetize your knowledge with digital products, and how to set up winning sales funnels, all right? So my name is Temi Ajibewa, aka the Electric Temi. I am Africa's most influential personal branding expert and business coach for thought leaders. I welcome you to my session today where I'll take you through what you can teach on as an online course creator. If you're confused, you don't even know where to start, you're not sure, what to even monetize. Today, I'm going to throw some things at you that will trigger your mind, right? And then you'll be able to decide on one thing. The first thing you can teach on is based on your educational qualification. So what qualifications do you have? What did you learn about that you can now teach other people to know or to know about? Like, what can you share with them based on your wealth of knowledge? Okay, you know this thing so well and you've gathered real learnings from school, either at a master's level. I have this client who did public health, so she's done a lot with family planning, women's sexuality, and now she's creating a course on it to help women know the kind of family plan that they should go for, in line with their age. Now she's monetizing her educational qualification. Do you see that? Yes. The same thing with me. So I'm a trained lawyer. I could decide to create an ebook or an online course on business name registration. What you need to know to have your business registered, either the business name, a limited, an NGO, and I can sell that for any amount, $10, $20, just to give out that information that people not be confused next time, or when they want to register their businesses. Do you see? That's something that, you can always monetize and teach. Second thing again is your expertise. So it's possible you have learned something and you have grown, expertise at it over time, right? You're not so good at a particular process. You can monetize that expertise. You can teach in that area. For example, I have expertise in coaching. Yes, I coach amazingly well, if I do say so myself. And now I can teach others how to also coach. Right? It's not just about theories that you learn from some websites. No, I have expertise when it comes to coaching. And I do have a program on this. It's called The Business of Your Brand. I have expertise in wealth creation. I have expertise in real estate. I have expertise in different things I can now teach other people on. Do you see? That's exactly how to monetize, or how to choose the topic that you will talk about in your course. Number 3 thing is your experience. Yes, you may have gone through something as a mother, as a father, as a YouTube content creator, or as a real estate investor. Maybe you were scammed the way I was scammed in Dubai. So some years ago, I think in 2000 and 17, in Dubai. Yes. So based on your experience, good or bad, right, you've been able to potty train your 2-year-old child. That's an experience that you don't want to miss out on. You can monetize that. I know somebody who monetizes, who has a course on how to get a good job in Canada. And she taught her experience. So how she got to Canada, how she got, the applications she made, how she brushed up her CV and things like that. And then she was able to get jobs. And she now has over 3,000 students who have bought this course from her. That's how monetizing what I experienced. Maybe when she got into Canada from Nigeria, all the terrible things she went through, she monetized that whole experience. It could also be something you figured out. Some of you are very handy. You learn things quickly on your own. Some of you learned how to use a camera on your own, how to use a laptop, how to use the internet. All those skills can also, things that you figured out yourself, you can teach on these things, okay? And so, because now you know it so well, you learned it yourself, you can now teach other people because you figured it out. So think, what did I figure out on my own? Yeah, you can monetize it. That can be a topic for you to create an online course on. The 5th thing here could be your skills. Yes, the 5th thing here, are your skills, the specific skills that you have, that this one can't be taken away from you. It could be your skill on video editing, your skills on graphics designing, your copywriting skills, your social media management skills, your closing skills, your DM management. Any skill that you have learned or that you have, you can definitely create a course around it to teach other people who may want to learn about it. Because see, sometimes we take ourselves for granted, saying, oh, this thing, I know it so well. You forgot that there was a time you did not know it. You think, it's so simple. Now I just click here, click here, click here. There was a time you had no idea where to click. True or false? Yes. You did not know. I remember when somebody asked me to go on Instagram. I wish I could still find that screenshot. And I think I'll look for it. Where I was asking my assistant how to post on Instagram. I'm like, wait, I'm on Instagram now. How do I post? She had to do me a screenshot telling me, go here, go there. Even me. Now today I have I have 16,000 followers on Instagram. I've done over 2,000 posts on Instagram. But at the time, I did not know how to post. Now, what if I could do a video on how to post on Instagram for someone who does not even know how to do it? Right? And I could teach the whole thing about using Instagram. That's a skill I have learned right there. Right? How do you monetize Instagram? I know I can teach, hands down right now, how to monetize Instagram, because what? I have built the skill sets from what to post, your content, DMs, and so on and so forth, right? Now, the 6th thing you can monetize would be your hobby. Yes. So is there a hobby you have? I don't know. Think about it. You can monetize it. It could be your hobby for watching movies, if you're like me. So your hobby for watching movies would be, you can become a movie critic, right? That's you monetizing it, right? And you can teach on the hobby. It could be football. It could be golf playing. It could be whatever it is that is your hobby that you know that others may want to learn how to do. It could be fishing, right? I've seen a course before on fishing. I've seen a course on golfing, of course. There are lots of courses on golfing. I've seen a course before on football, playing, basketball, yes. So many sports, I've seen courses on it. I've seen a course on videography, of course. So anything that is your hobby, right, that you just find passion in doing it, and for you it's not a big deal, you can create a course around it. And then finally, You can monetize your knowledge on what was passed on to you. Perhaps you have parents or a mentor who passed on a body of knowledge to you, and you have used it. It has worked for you, and you've tweaked things, customized things. You can also teach others this thing. So think about it. Maybe a business was handed over to you. It could be a catering business. It could be real estate business. It could be any kind of business that has been passed on to you. You can monetize your knowledge of it by teaching other people in or through an online course. I hope that this video has been helpful to you. I have a video here that will show you how to find your own perfect niche as a multi-talented person. So if you have many gifts and passions and you're not sure that, okay, Temi, I have all these 7. Which one should I focus on? That video is your video. And this is also a series, so you want to watch this particular series. So this is like part 3 of a 7-part video, right? You should check out the other videos in the series, okay? There's also a link where you can learn how to create and sell digital products. It's a free masterclass. Just click on the link and watch the video. It will really break down the process that you need to create your own digital product as a knowledgepreneur. Also, there's a link for you to book a call with me if you want us to have a session together. I am available for that. Hit the link below this video as well to book a call with me, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.